Ultimate Glow Up Guide. Hello cuties, hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. If you've ever tried to glow up before, you probably realize that your results don't last, or that positive and happy feeling doesn't last. That's because you're only focusing on the physical. You buy tons of products to change and enhance your appearance. But if you're not focusing on the mental aspect, you will be in a never-ending loop of trying to fit into the beauty standards. The true meaning of a glow up is focusing on your physical and the mental health. You will be the best version of yourself, but you still have to put effort and work to see results and for it to work. So here are 15 ways for you to glow up, mentally and physically. Tip number 1. Invest in skincare and haircare products. When you're buying products, make sure you are getting high-quality products that you have done your research on and have read their ingredients, looking at their benefits and how it will help your skin. That way you can physically target what is wrong with your skin. Like for example, you have blackheads, but you are targeting your acne, it won't clear your blackheads. And hair oils and hair masks. You only need one good hair oil and one good hair mask and your hair will be healthy and shiny. Hair masks keep your hair healthy and moisturized. And if you're using a really heavy oil like castor oil, make sure you're using a clarifying shampoo to get all the buildup off. Tip number 2. Make sure to work out daily. And by working on daily, I don't mean doing squats daily. Just take a walk outside, but make sure you are doing some weightlifting during the week too. It will help in making you feel good, it will make you less lazy, and your body will look good too. Tip number 3. Try to follow a morning and night routine. And by a morning routine, I don't mean to wake up early and eat a salad. You can wake up early if you want and take a nice shower and drink lemon water. Morning routines help you get going for the day, help your mindset for the day, and the night routines help you calm down and unwind for the day. Tip number 4. Eat whole foods and drink a lot of water in a day. Try to substitute foods that are unhealthy with healthy ones. For example, if you want to eat chips, replace it with a cracker. And if you're craving something sweet, eat strawberries or grapes. Drinking 2 to 3 liters of water a day helps in boosting your metabolism, improve fatigue, removes toxins from your body and gives you energy. Tip number 5. Get ready even if you're staying home. Learn how to emphasize your natural features with makeup. You can do your research in finding out what your face shape is, or you can go to this video on my channel. Tip number 6. Get at least 8 hours of sleep every day. When you get less than 8 hours of sleep, you look tired, but you don't even realize it. If you're a person with eye bags who sleeps less than 8 hours of sleep a day, try sleeping 8 to 9 hours a day and your eye bags will disappear. And your skin dulls out, and you won't realize it either, because you are constantly sleeping less than 8 hours a day. And try to sleep on your back, since sleeping on your side will give you an asymmetrical face. Tip number 7. Try to fix your posture. Whenever you start fixing your posture in private, it will start to fix itself in public. Whenever someone has good posture, they radiate confidence. Now time for the mental aspect. Tip number 8. Create a mood board and write your goals. That's because if you don't have goals, then what do you really want? What are you actually living for? And not only just writing your goals, but you should also write how to achieve them. A reason to have a mood board is because you want to look at your goals, to constantly see, to have something to look at. If you keep looking at pictures of your dream life, or just your dream, anything, it will accidentally manifest itself. You don't even have to DIY it or buy a mood board. You can just use an app or look at it in print. Rest. You just have to make sure you're constantly looking at it. Top number 9. Learn new things. Learning new things could be in books that you're interested in, education that you're interested in, or even YouTube videos on you are interested in. Basically, learn new skill that's going to advance you or stuff that you enjoy. If you love languages, then learn a new language. And if you want to draw for fun, search up a YouTube video on how to draw for beginners. Or if you want to become an influencer, search up how to become an influencer and how to grow your platform. Not only that, but it will keep your brain functioning and it will make you feel better about yourself. Tip number 10. Try to meditate daily. Meditating is basically you observing your thoughts without reacting to them. And with constant meditation, over time you will view everything in a calm and collective manner. Meditation every day literally changes you as a person. Tip number 11. Protect your energy. Protecting your energy is really important. By protecting your energy is limiting your screen time, like lowering your social media time. Social media drains you without you even noticing. and get rid of people who drain you. You fully get rid of them. And sometimes it's the people who are closest to you are the knees who drain you, but you won't even notice it. But if you can't cut off people who are draining you, make sure to set realistic boundaries with them. And for the people who are perfectionists, you don't have to make everything perfect. It slowly drains your energy from you. Tip number 12. Do activities that ground you. There's so many things that you can do that ground you, like practicing your hobbies. Being grounded makes you feel confident in who you are, makes you know how you are. It makes you happy, mentally and physically. Tip number 13. Identify and fix your bad habits. The key to glow up is finding out where you went wrong, fixing it, and stepping out of your comfort zone to try new things. Because you can easily find out where you've been going wrong and fix it. But if you're not going out of your comfort zone, you won't have much change. You have to step out of your comfort zone first to change your bad habits. Because you can't just change your bad habits just like that. You have to make a plan, which is changing it and stepping out of your comfort zone, and making small changes to achieve that. Tip number 14. Practice self-love. Being proud and confident in who you are just gives you so much power. Self-love does so many things like reducing anxiety, stress, boosts motivation, and overcoming your fears. Your self-love actually translates into your relationship with others and how healthy they are. Tip number 15. Take baby steps. If you have so much to do this week, or this much, just worry about what you will do today, and worry about what you will do tomorrow. So basically living in the present moment, and not remembering nor looking at the past. When you do something that makes you happy and fulfilled day by day, you should treat yourself. Because when you keep doing them, you subconsciously want to keep doing these things. Because you are getting treated to do these things. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.